Hey guys, in this video we're gonna show you the assembly and the parts of a computer. Let's begin. Motherboard, also known as the MOBO, is a large printed circuit board that has a lot of chips, connectors, and other electronics mounted on it. CPU socket is basically where we put the processor. North bridge is a controller which controls the flows of data between the CPU, RAM, and the AGP port. AGP or accelerated graphic port. It is used to connect the video card to the motherboard. PCI expansion slot, used to connect expansion cards to the motherboard in order to add additional capabilities on the system unit. Speaker headers, these are used to connect front panel jack for the audio. Complementary metal oxide semiconductor, also known as the CMOS battery, keeps the BIOS chip settings as well as keeping the real-time clock on time as well as the date. Dip switch, these are used to reset the BIOS setting. South bridge, responsible for providing support to the onboard peripheral. Parallel ATA, standard interface for older types of storage like hard disk drives, floppy disk drives, and other optical disk drives. 20-pin AT power connector is used to power the motherboard. Memory slot is the slot used to connect the memory to the motherboard. 4-pin 12-volt power connector is the connector that is used to power the processor. PS2 keyboard and mouse port, used to connect keyboard or a mouse. USB port, used to connect a keyboard, mouse, scanner, flash drives, or other USB devices. Serial port, usually used for scanner. Parallel port, usually used for a printer. Sound ports, used to connect speakers, headphones, and microphones.
TV tuner card. A TV tuner card is a kind of television tuner that allows television signals to be received by a computer. Most TV tuners also function as video capture cards, allowing them to record television programs onto a hard disk much like the digital video recorder DVD does. Network Interface Card or LAN card. The LAN card is a door to the network from a computer. Any type of network activity requires a LAN card. The internet network printer connecting computers together and so on. Video card. A video card connects to the motherboard of a computer system and generates output images to display. Video cards are also referred to as graphics cards. Video cards include a processing unit, memory, a cooling mechanism, and connections to a display device.
I like to break it down. This joint has got me open.
These are the front panel connectors. These connectors are composed of 4 pairs of wirings. Power switch uses the main power switch of the system unit. Reset switch used to reset the system unit. Power LED, it allows the case lighting to turn on so the user knows the PC is on. HDD LED, it allows the user to know the status of the hard disk. PATA is a standard interface for IBM compatible hard drives.
It's my favorite song. I put my thing in motion. I do it all night long. Here I go again. I gotta hit 'em with a
Hard drives. A hard drive is also known as primary storage of the computer, used to edit, create, and store files. CD-ROM or DVD drives are used to read CDs, DVDs, and other type of optical storage, and sometimes to also write and rewrite. Floppy drive, an outdated storage device consisting of thin disks of the flexible disk storage system.
chime, chime like one, put it in the atmosphere. Give it your best shot, show me what you got. Heightened feeling from my head to my toe. Give it your best shot, show me what you got. Tonight I'm really gonna let myself go. Show me what you got. I got a new one for you. I like the way that sounds. I'm about to do it for you. I'm finna break it down. This joint has got me open. Ooh, that's my favorite song. I put my thing in motion. I do it all night long. Here I go again. Ooh, I'm finna drop it like
The power supply main function is to convert AC voltage to DC voltage and supply power to other component of the system unit. Molecs used to power older types of hard disk drive, power connector, and CD-ROM or case fan. 4-pin 12 volts power connector used to power the processor. 20-pin 80 power connector. The main power connector used to power the whole motherboard. Main power input used to connect the power supply to power the computer.